The garter stitch pattern is created when you knit every stitch in every row on both sides of the fabric. It looks like textured, wavy ridges. Very voluminous. Let's see how we knit it. On one side, we knit through the front leg, using knit stitches. Then, we turn the work. And we continue knitting. On the other side, again with knit stitches. Through the front leg. This creates a beautiful, textured fabric. This pattern is often used for scarves, sweaters, cowls, cardigans, and it can also be used for blankets. It's a versatile stitch pattern.